This guided meditation is designed to help you quiet mental chatter and deepen your meditation practice. Mental chatter is the steady flow of thoughts, worries, memories, and mental images that often arise the moment we try to sit quietly. This is completely normal. The mind naturally wanders. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts altogether. It's about noticing when your attention has been carried away by a thought and gently returning again and again to a place of stillness and awareness. Throughout this meditation, you'll hear soft breathing sounds in the background. Let these breaths serve as a guide. Whenever you notice that your mind has drifted into thinking, simply use the sound of the breathing to return to the present moment. If you find yourself getting caught up in thoughts, try asking yourself, I wonder what my next thought will be. You may notice your mind becoming quiet right away, or you may find yourself repeating the question. Either response is perfectly fine. The purpose of the question is to help you step back and observe your thoughts rather than becoming absorbed in them. If that doesn't help, gently bring your attention back to your own breath and allow it to become your anchor. With consistent practice, you'll begin to notice more quickly when your mind has wandered, making it easier to return to the present. Let's begin. Find the comfortable position, sitting, lying down, or however you feel most at ease. Allow your body to be relaxed and supported. Lengthen your spine naturally without forcing it. Let your shoulders soften and your head rest comfortably in a neutral position. Allow your arms and hands to relax completely. If you're sitting in a chair, try to sit upright rather than leaning back. If you're sitting on the floor, you may find it helpful to place a cushion or folded blanket beneath your hips for support. We'll begin with 3 deep breaths. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air moving through your nostrils and filling your lungs. Now slowly exhale through your mouth, allowing your body to soften and relax. Take 2 more breaths like this at your own pace. Now allow the music, the gentle sound of the breathing, and the natural rhythm of your body to guide you into a state of calm awareness. As this meditation comes to an end, begin to bring your attention back to the present moment. Notice how you feel right now. Observe the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the quality of your mind. You may feel more peaceful, more centered, or simply more aware. Gradually become aware of the space around you. Feel the support beneath your body and listen to the sounds in your environment. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, making any small movements that feel natural as you transition back. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to enjoy this sense of calm, clarity, and presence. Remember, this quiet space is always available to you. You can return to it whenever you need a moment of stillness. Thank you for taking this time for yourself and for nurturing a quieter, more peaceful mind. May your day begin and end with gratitude.